I'm Mia. As you can see, I'm a dog today. And first I will do my show, then later on you'll see Sheridan. Well, depends which way you click first, but anyway, my dog show. I don't know what to do.
Too close.
I don't know what to do.
You're too close to the camera.
I don't know what to do.
Just stand on the table and like bark like a dog.
You're kidding me.
That's what dogs do.
I don't be a dog.
Be a cat then.
I look like a dog. Okay.
Do it.
I don't know what to do.
Come on.
I don't know what to do. Could you go first so I can get some ideas? What?
Just do random shit.
I don't know what to do.
Do human shit.
Okay then. What's not? You told me to do human. So, what's up? Wow. Yeah. I am scared of it. As you can see, dark. Now turn around. Light. Okay, that concludes my show, and I hope you enjoy the other dog show.
Man, you're like the worst.